Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to discuss about another example related to exergy, example number 9, that means numerical number 9, that is second law efficiency of a heat engine. See my dear student, there is a heat engine in which air flow, there is a flow of air into a heat engine, right? That means there is a air flow in and air flow out. So there is a air flow, this is your air, right? So this is your air, right? Air flow. So heat engine at ambient condition, this is your ambient condition, 100 kilopascal and 300 Kelvin as shown in figure. Energy is supplied as 1200, that means energy is supplied, this is your 1200 kilojoule per kg. All are related to per kg, kilojoule per kg air from a 1500 Kelvin source, and in some part of the process a heat transfer loss of 300, this is your 300 kilojoule per kg air occurs at 750 Kelvin, right? The air leave the engine at, this is your exit condition, air leave at engine at the same pressure, that means 100 kilopascal, and but temperature will increase, that is 800 Kelvin. Find the first and second law efficiency. So what you have to determine, number first law efficiency, and number second law efficiency, right? So what is your assumption? Assumption is steady state steady flow device. So the device is steady state steady flow process, right? If the device is a steady state steady flow process, that means the any change of a property of a control volume with respect to time is 0. That means if we take per kg basis, that means energy, first law, conservation of energy. So what is the conservation of energy? Conservation of energy. So what is the conservation of energy? Energy in minus energy out is equal to E of the system, that means delta E of the system, and this is 0 for steady flow. So what is that? Energy in is equal to energy out. So this is related to this energy is related to what? Energy transfer due to mass, energy transfer, energy transfer due to heat, work and mass. So what is the energy in the form of mass? Mi Hi. In the form of heat, QH. What is the energy out in the form of mass? Me He. What is the energy out? QL, and other is work, right? So this Mi is 1 kg, this Me is 1 kg, right? So what is your work transfer? So what is your work? Work is QH minus QL plus, this is your 1, so this is your Hi minus He. So there is air act as an ideal gas. So this is your Cp of air into Ti minus Te. So you have Cp of air, you have Ti, and you have Te. So you can easily find what is the work transfer. So this is your work transfer you have. So this is your actual work, actual work developed by heat engine, right? So what is the first law efficiency? So first law efficiency, eta, known as thermal efficiency, is nothing output. This is, that means W actual by heat supply, QH. So if you calculate that, this is your 31.52%. So this is your first law efficiency. First law efficiency, right? Now if you calculate the second law efficiency, for that there is a exergy balance. So for exergy balance, what is that? Exergy balance, what is the exergy balance? This is nothing, this is your exergy in minus exergy out, right? Exergy in minus exergy out minus exergy destroyed plus exergy of the system. So what is the exergy balance? Exergy balance is exergy in minus exergy out minus exergy destroyed is equal to change of exergy of a system. So this is your, so what is this? This is your net exergy transfer by heat, work and mass. So this is your net exergy transferred, by heat, work and mass. And what is this? This is your exergy destroyed. And what is this? This is your change in exergy. Change in, right? So this will change in exergy. Now if the process is reversible, so there is a reversible process, this is 0, right? Exergy destroyed is 0 for a reversible process, and this is also 0 for STD, right? So what you have? Exergy in is equal to exergy out. So we have to calculate, from this we have to calculate a reversible work. So what is the exergy in? Is due to mass. So Mi into phi I, right, into phi I, it is due to mass plus due to heat, QH 1 minus T naught by TH. So this is your exergy in. What is the exergy out? Me psi E plus heat, QL 1 minus T naught by TL plus work. That means a reversible work, right? So for this, what is your reversible work? So W reversible, this is kilojoule per kg, is equal to what? QH 1 minus T naught by TH minus QL 1 minus T naught by TL plus M outside, what is psi I? If you take Mi, what is psi I? Hi minus T naught Si minus what is Me? He minus T naught Se, right? So you have QH, you have QL, all this value, and if we take this is to be like that, so if you take M outside, so what is Hi minus He, right, minus T naught Se minus Si, right, minus, if you take minus common, plus, if you take plus, so if you take plus, so this is your plus Se minus this is your Si. So what is this? This is nothing, this is Cp of air Ti minus Te plus T naught. What is this? Cp of air ln Te by Ti minus R ln Pe by Pi, Pe by Pi. So this is your this value and this is your this value. So for this the pressure is constant, so this is 0. Why? Because Pe is equal to Pi, right? And you have Ti, you have Te, you have Cp of air, you have Ti, Te. So if you calculate all this value, so your reversible work come out to be W reversible is come out to be how much? This is your reversible work, right? So what is this? This is your work potential due to heat transfer. This is your work potential due to heat transfer. And what is this? What is this? This is your work potential due to change of state. Work potential due to change of state, that means I to E, right? So you have reversible work. So you can easily find the second law efficiency. So what is the second law efficiency? You have, so what is your second law efficiency? You have second law efficiency, eta second law efficiency is what? Actual work divided by reversible work. So you have actual work, you have reversible work, that means 67.2%. So what is that? So what is that? That means how much left? That is 100 minus 67.2%. What is this? Is what? of the work potential of the work potential of the system is waste during this process, is wasted during this process, right? So this is all about. Okay, thank you very much.